Hello. Today let's talk about the RAS recommendation system of your Audi A4 or S401 car. Under certain conditions, the system can detect that the driver needs to take a break. At the beginning of a trip, the system monitors the driver's general steering style. Using this as a reference, the system continuously compares the current steering input at speeds of between 60 and 200 km per hour. If the evaluation of the steering input implies a lapse in the driver's concentration, the system will then recommend a brake. The REST recommendation function is designed for journeys on motorways and major roads. Of course, we have limitations. The REST recommendation functions may misinterpret the steering input in certain driving situations, such as twisty roads, rough roads, in poor weather, during performance driving, when the driver's attention is deactivated, of course. But we can resetting the system. The system will be automatically resetted if the switch off the ignition, raise the driver's seat belt and open the driver's door, or we drive slower than 60 km per hour for a while. If we subsequently increase our speed again, the system will re-evaluate the driving style. Of course, we should never drive when we are tired. As a driver, we are always responsible for ensuring that we are fit to drive. And on longer journeys, we make sure that to take adequate breaks at regular intervals. The system cannot be always tell if we need a break, of course. But we can switch it off or can we switch it on, as you can see. We go to drive, then assist, and there is it. The recommendation function. We can switch it off if we does not need it. In certain situations, the system may misinterpret driving maneuvers and inappropriately recommend a brake. No acute warning is given if the driver falls into a microsleep, of course. So take care. REST recommended is important. Instrument cluster display will show us this information. If the warning lamp lights up and the message appears, the evaluation of the steering input has resulted in a reset recommendation. This is also indicated by a warning tone. We take a break as soon as possible after we see the cup of coffee. The message may be displayed again once if it is necessary. This helps us to take a break and to be better driver. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.